If you want to edit slow motion videos on Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to the Photos app, and in here you should be able to find your slow motion video that you recorded. And if you tap on it, you can see two timelines, and this is of course, the main timeline that is used in order to rewind or to move forward. But there is also this one above with the dots. And these dots indicate the slow motion effect. So as you can see over here where we have more space between the dots, this is the slow motion effect. And we can actually adjust the range or the moment in the video which uses the slow motion effect. So if you want to, you can for example extend it all the way and make the whole video in slow motion. Or of course you can just put it on selected part of the video, and then only that part will be in slow motion, so it's up to you. Of course, we can further edit a video by just tapping on edit at the bottom of the screen, and over here you should be able to find a bunch of different stuff that might be quite helpful to use as well, like different filters, speed selection over here, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.